The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, it's clear Hyundai is making a bold statement. Bigger, bolder, and unabashedly luxurious. The new Palisade's exterior has traded its soft curves for a more chiseled, upright stance, lending it an almost gravity-defying presence on the road. The front end is dominated by a squared-off grille and vertically stacked LED headlamps that look ready for action, while sculpted fender flares and chunky lower cladding hint at under-the-radar off-road chops. Even in a crowded three-row SUV segment, the Palisade silhouette cuts a distinctive figure, one that suggests there's more to this family hauler than meets the eye. Slide inside, and the transformation continues. Gone is the muted cabin of the past. In its place, you'll find a meticulously crafted cockpit brimming with premium textures and thoughtful details. A sweeping 12.3-inch display curves seamlessly from the driver's gauge cluster into the infotainment screen, giving the dashboard the look and feel of a single, high-tech instrument. Soft-touch materials abound, and every touchpoint, from the knurled volume dial to the stitched armrest, feels intentionally refined. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and USB-C ports in every row, and the third-row bench now reclines, making long journeys far more comfortable for adults. Whether you're carting kids to soccer practice or loading up with camping gear, the Palisade's cavernous cargo bay and clever storage cubbies ensure there's a place for everything. Under the hood, the tried-and-true 3.5-litre V6 returns with 287 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, delivered through an 8-speed automatic. It's smooth and predictable, though the leisurely power delivery reminds you this SUV's focus is more on composed cruising than blistering acceleration. The real fireworks arrive with the forthcoming hybrid, a 2.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor, together producing roughly 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. That setup drops in late 2025 and promises both stronger off-the-line thrust and impressive fuel economy, an appealing combo for families who rack up highway miles. Out on the road, the Palisade feels planted. Its longer wheelbase softens the ride, ironing out mid-corner bumps and road chatter. Acoustic windshield glass and foam-filled tires work behind the scenes to keep the cabin whisper quiet, so even highway speeds feel serene. The available XRT Pro trim takes things a step further. All-terrain tires, lifted suspension, and sturdy recovery hooks give you confidence if you stray off the beaten path. It's not a hardcore rock crawler, but it's more than capable of handling muddy trails or snowy backroads with poise. Pricing starts around $40,400 for the base front-wheel drive model, climbing to roughly $55,500 fully loaded with options and all-wheel drive. That puts the Palisade squarely in line with key competitors, yet the sheer breadth of standard tech and upscale touches make it feel like a genuine value play. In short, the 2026 Palisade isn't just a refresh, it's a reinvention. It manages to blend the comfort and convenience families demand with a dash of adventure-ready flair, all while hinting at an even more compelling hybrid future. So, if you're shopping for a three-row SUV that excels at school-run duty and weekend escapes alike, this Hyundai just might be the home base you've been waiting for.